It's a good day today. It feels like I'm gonna watch some Thomas the Tank Engine. What are you doing? Dude, you okay? I just fell. I'm alright. No. Anyway. Guys! Have you heard the news? What is it, Ben? They're making a new episode of Thomas the Tank Engine. Whee! Oh. In that case. Woohoo! Who are you? I am a subway train. I am the assistant Thomas the Tank Engine. Thomas the Tank Engine? So you're saying he's real? Yes, but he's not what you think you are. I hear Thomas. Oh God, I hear Thomas. Oh God, what are you doing? I am not the Thomas you think you are. I can't even speak right because of this. Don't you? What the heck happened? Thomas beat us up. Thomas? But Thomas is not even real. He is. I don't believe a lot of stuff, but you're not lying. He's real. He beat all of us. I'm going to get to the bottom of this now. Sonic! Oh God, Sonic. Where's Sonic? Tails? Oh, thank God it's you, Sonic. There's been like people getting beat up. Yeah, like over there. Oh, what happened to them? They said that Thomas the Tank Engine was real or something. I don't really believe them. I don't know what it's about, but they're saying that he's real. Something. I don't know. Well, he can't be real. He's just a TV show. Yeah, true. Hey guys! What the Mario time? What is going on? Mario, those guys got beat up, and we don't know why. They got beat up? What a lousies! If Thomas comes again because I heard your conversation, I'm gonna beat him up. So you guys can go now. Okay. Now, let's see. Said Thomas the Tank Engine was real, eh? They're so injured they can't even speak. Wait, who said that? Because I'm Thomas the Tank Engine. Mario, no! Tails, why are you screaming? What happened? Oh my God, he got beat up. So even Mario gets beat up? That means this can't be a legend. It's totally real. Ugh. Well, you stay here, buddy. Where are you going? I'm just gonna get some chili dogs. Stay right here. What the heck are you? I'm a subway train. I'm the assistant of Thomas the Tank Engine, and he's about to kill you. Oh. Hey! Oh no, he's coming. What's all the racket? Tails too? Okay, this is getting out of hand. What is going on? What is going on here? They got beat up. How? Oh, Goku, it's you. Yeah, it's me. Thank God. happened here? No time to explain, Goku. Well, fine, I'm going to explain. So basically, everyone is saying that Thomas is killing everybody. I don't believe it, though. You don't? No, I literally don't. It's gotta be a legend. Nah, nah, nah. Wait, isn't that Thomas's whistle? Yeah, I believe so. Oh! Oh no, Thomas! Oh no, he's here! Sonic, stay safe! Get off me! Oh, what happened? What happened? Sonic! Sonic! Look out!